I'm gonna talk less in this video just because it's a ride home. I'm exhausted. Why the fuck not, I guess. Hopefully the camera ain't too fucked. Doing that. We have a new angle now. I like this way home because it's like more linear. I forgot to flip my throttle. Just power shifter. But yeah, really glad to have my bike back. Just hate that I'm like total cost into the bike. I'm about $7,500, including the cost of the bike and repairs. I'm not even counting like accessories, gear, none of that, because it would be way past 10 grand by now. I think earlier I had spoken about the cost of the true cost of riding a motorcycle. People say it's cheaper than a car, and for the most part it is, but it's not by much. It really isn't by much, because say I were to get a motorcycle that was a Honda, it'd probably genuinely be way cheaper than. Would it be as fast as this or as fun as this? Maybe it's fun, but not as fast or as technologically advanced, because this is probably by far one of the most technologically advanced motorcycles in the middleweight category, right next to the KTMs and the Triumphs. I believe Triumph is a way better buy. Oh my god, it smells like cow shit. We just passed like one of those cow manure processing station. Oh, cops are outside. What's going on here? Is he trying to be sneaky? Can't I thought the guy was gonna stop me, honestly. I forgot my registration in my apartment, so low-key would have been fucked. Not gonna lie. But then again, I think an interaction on camera would probably be something that could be interesting, just so you can see what the process is like. And like, they're not genuinely trying to be assholes, but there's not really much that they can do other than make sure that you're doing the right thing, which is what they're meant to be doing anyways, rather than harass you and try to stop you based on racial. Yeah. That can be an entire rant all of its own, so I'm not gonna really touch on that. I know my that guys would definitely love a conversation like that though. Just because I feel like maybe them being outside more, they get to interact with the lovely local pop more than I do. To be fair though, cops don't really harass motorcyclists like that, if I'm being quite honest. That was a weird gear because I shifted, but also the bike kept power at the same time because of the quick shifter. That's quite a weird gap. Yeah, it's meant to be a quiet ride home because I'm exhausted. Making tacos today. That's fun. Quite happy about that. Looking forward to it. You know, I would suggest the idea of touring around Italy on this motorcycle, but I don't know if I would genuinely trust it just based on my first 6 months. And today would technically be this month would be technically my 6-month ownership of the Aprilia Tuono 660 factory 2023. And so far, the bike is an insanely good value for money, especially for me. I got it for almost half the price of MSRP. That's crazy. Almost half the price of MSRP. I mean, with all the repairs, it's coming up there, but still cheaper than what the previous owner got it for, even with the repairs and such. I hope that the bike doesn't need any repairs for a long while. The bike isn't even due for its first actual like maintenance thing. Maintenance interval just yet, just because it has to hit 10K. I know people do it earlier. Oil was just changed with the change of the stator and rectifier. The brake fluid was changed with the brake master cylinder replacement, being that that's the pivot that broke when I dropped my bike in at an intersection. It wasn't really an intersection, but it's like right after. What's going on? It's a whole bunch of people just peopling and stuff of that nature. But yeah, know if there's anything I can really update. I'm about to be home in like a few minutes, but hopefully in the upcoming month or so, in July, hopefully I'm able to get my guys to have and ride their motorcycles. We're currently in like a limbo period because we're waiting for documents and everything to be finalized. Oh my gosh.